with respect to the investigations into the Al Falah Trust as well. Now, the Delhi Crime Branch visited the office of the Al Falah Trust in Delhi. The office is located in Jamia Nagar in the national capital. The Faridabad Crime Branch also had visited this office earlier, and the Crime Branch subsequently left after those searches with several documents now, which is currently in its possession. Let me go across to Shivani, who's reporting from outside the offices of the Al Falah Trust in Delhi. Now, Shivani, we do know that as far as the Al Falah University is concerned in Haryana, the NAACP has decided to send it a show cause notice questioning the legality of that university. Now, that university is run by the Al Falah Trust, which also holds an office in the national capital. Tell us about the searches in the Al Falah Trust. What have they revealed as part of the Delhi police investigations and also, of course, the Faridabad crime branch that was there some time back?
Well, indeed, first talking about Al Falah Trust overall, that owns 9 properties under which there is Al Falah University, Al Falah Hospital and some further more infrastructures. But as we are reporting right now at that very headquarter which operates this entire 9 property, let me take you through the visuals of those officers of Delhi Police Crime Branch team. As you can see, they were also present here some time back, and at the top of the building you'll be able to see that this is the entire building which has a headquarters, which is placed in Okhla, that is in Jamia Nagar. And similarly, the point of attraction and point of investigation is only one thing, that who are the people those are giving monetary funding to this trust, who are supplying money for the operations of this 9 properties, 9 trust, and similarly the documentation. In fact, earlier as well, when the team of Faridabad police had come here at the very headquarter, they had investigated the person here as well, they recorded their statement and also had asked for the registration documents of Al Falah University. Let's also clearly remember that this was also one of the location, that was Okhla industrial area, under which there was a CCTV that had come out of the main accused in this matter, and henceforth this entire area, this headquarter, remains very important. There are certain CCTVs that the Delhi Police Crime Branch is also looking at to find out whether the main accused of this entire Delhi bomb blast was visiting here, was staying here, was in touch with people, is there any contact history that he has with the headquarters, any sort of help was given to him, and how does in fact entire Al Falah University operate, in fact how they hire people, how they serve them money, how they provide them salaries, how the registration works place, how the renewal takes place, is what something even Delhi Police Crime Branch team is also investigating at. And also not less than 8 to 10 members that we were able to see. At the very corner you will see that there is one officer that I can at least see from here, and there were nearly 7 to 8 such officers of Delhi Crime Branch. Those were here, and they also want verbal statements, similarly documentations of Al Falah Trust and what all are the 9 properties. Let's also clearly remember that this headquarter owns 9 such property, and how do they operate is a matter of concern for the Delhi police. And similarly, let me also give you one detail of Javed Ahmed Siddiqui, who hails from Madhya Pradesh, who is the main founder of Al Falah University, who was arrested as well for a money laundering case worth more than 7.5 crores in the year 2000. And henceforth those cases are also being monitored by the Delhi police, that how the money trail of Al Falah Trust is going on here.
All right, Shivani, we'll come back to you for more updates as far as the investigations into the trust is concerned which runs the Al Falah University.